Hello everyone. Today I want to share a thing I'm working on. It's a DMX controller, a light controller. As you can see, if it's worked with geometry nodes, and as you can see, I can change the light in real time over here. There's a little bit of latency on the webcam, but I assure you it's real time. Yeah, it works with geometry node, and it has a lot of cool stuff. First of all, if you want to make a light, I can just add like a fixture. In this case, it's like a RGB light. So you can set up the amount of channels and the start address, and then you can add like a fixture. You can put it in the geometry node, and as you can see, if I move the R channel, it will get red channel will get red, and so on. Yeah, it's good, cool. I also made some functions. So we have like a color separator. If we put that in, like that, we can just have a color wheel. You can also do other things with it. If we have, for instance, I will turn this off for now because it's quite bright. Yeah, let's say we have like a sine wave and another sine wave and another sine wave. We plug it all in, and then we just gonna start play. As you can see, now it stops a little bit. I want that to be a little bit slower, so we'll increase the time. This one as well, and you can also plug it in and one in all of these. I'm also gonna change the offset so for all of them, so it will be like a little bit more disco. Oh yeah, as you can see, I've set the string to 2. We actually wanted to 255, and the other one as well, and this one as well. So as you can see, it's now pulsing it. You can imagine that with a moving head, this would be really nice. Yeah, there are still some problems with it. I have a problem with making cues, and I'm quite sure that people in theater and so on are really dependent on these cues. So I'm working on that right now. And oh yeah, also another cool thing I think with you can also make your own functions. You know, if you really need something special. But what's also really cool about this is that if, for instance, well, we start with black on this frame, and we say, okay, that's nice. We gonna add a keyframe, and then on frame 100, we're gonna change that to a blue, and we can say we're gonna key that in as well. So we'll go from black to blue, and then on frame 180, let's say it's gonna change into yeah, this orange like yellow like thing. Okay, let's see how it works. As you can see, it really moves really nicely. As also, I made another function that actually does the same, but it's more modular. So let me see, what was it called again? Oh yeah, evolve color. So we're gonna put this in the color node. So start frame, let's say 0. Oh yeah, maybe I can expand it a bit. 0, it goes from red to blue, and as you can see, it will go from red to blue in 150 frames. And if you want to have more, that's also possible. Then we can just add another one and put it behind the original one, and then we say, okay, then it will go to purple and it will start at frame 150 and end at frame 200. So, oh, sorry about that. Yeah, as you can see, the timeline is not moving right now, but it still works. I'm not quite sure why the timeline sometimes is a little bit slow, but yeah, so that's what I wanted to share. Yeah, like I said, I still have problems with making cues. Also, if you like add a fixture, it actually creates like new geometry. Um, um, you can also add more lights. So let's say we have like another fixture or light, whatever you want to call it, and we gonna add that into the geometry node as well. So this will start at channel 4. I think I put this light on RGB mode, so it doesn't really have strobe. No, it doesn't. But as you can imagine, we can also like do one channel start address 1 that fixture. Yeah, nice. So this will be red, and then you can add more fixtures. Just imagine that these are multiple lights. Let me put it in. So yeah, I thought this pretty cool. If you're interested in this program, let me know. Maybe we can work something out. I'm still working on it, and if you have ideas for it, just let me know. Thank you.